Hello, this is Snobby. I've just arrived at Ochanomizu station. Ochanomizu is a perfect town for music lovers. Why is that? Okay, let's find out why with me today. The name Ochanomizu derives from the fact that water for brewing tea for the Tokugawa family came from this area during the Edo period. Ochanomizu Station is 9 minutes from Shinjuku Station by the Cheiya Chuo Line, 11 minutes from Ikebukuro Station by the Marunouchi Subway Line, and is located next to Akihabara Station. Ochanomizu reminds me of my school days. When I was a high school student, I often came here for cram school. I'm now working on the campus of a university. Ochanomizu is well known as a college town. The historic Meiji University is located here. This is the top of the hill. And there is a hotel, the Hilltop Hotel. It's very rare to find a hotel on a university site. The Hilltop Hotel was founded in 1954, but the building itself was completed in 1937. The building is now temporarily closed due to its age. Let's go to the main street. Tokyo has several specialized shopping streets. Akihabara Electric Town, Nippon Fabric Town, Kappabashi Kitchen Tool Town, Jinbocho Book Town, etc. For example, Meiji University is particularly well known for its law school. As a result, many shops selling legal books opened near here to form Jinbocho Book Town. Oh, there's a gaming goods shop. Meiji University has two well-known music clubs, the Mandolin Club and the Harmonica Society. As a result, many music shops lined up around the area. These clubs made Ochanomizu famous as a musical instruments district. The shops on the street sell wind instruments, guitars, basses, violins, any instrument. During the Edo period, Ochanomizu was the Hatamoto's residential area. A Hatamoto was a high-ranking samurai in the direct service of the Tokugawa shogunate of feudal Japan. Now, there are many universities in Ochanomizu. There are also some medical colleges. That is a dispensary. This tells there are many university hospitals here. Disc Union is a perfect shop for record collectors. There are many Disc Union branches in Tokyo. The big one is in Shinjuku. If you are into music, you cannot miss there. Today, I explored Ochanomizu, the musical instrument shopping street. How did you like it? If you are a musician, Ochanomizu is a perfect place to visit. Why don't you visit here? Thanks for watching the video. Give me likes and subscribe to my channel. I'm taking requests. Leave your comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね